Yo, what's up, everyone? Let's talk about something that's been burning up the internet, Cash App. Specifically, how to open a Cash App account with a Nigerian number. You see, Cash App is this super popular app for sending and receiving money, but it's primarily known for being US-based. So, naturally, the question is, can Nigerians actually use it? And if so, how do you even get started? Don't worry, I've got you covered. We're about to dive deep into this, step by step. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why you might even want a Cash App account in the first place. Cash App isn't just about sending money to your friends. It's also a platform for investing in stocks, buying and selling Bitcoin, and even getting paid for your services. That's right, you can turn your Cash App into a mini money-making machine. But again, we're focusing on just getting started today. Alright, let's cut to the chase. How do you actually open a Cash App account with a Nigerian number? The short answer, it's tricky. Cash App is primarily designed for US users, and there aren't official workarounds for Nigerian numbers. However, there are a few methods people have tried, but I can't guarantee success. Method 1, the virtual number route. Some people have claimed success using virtual phone numbers. These are basically phone numbers you can buy online that aren't tied to a physical SIM card. The idea is to sign up for Cash App using this virtual number, hoping it works. Important note, this method isn't guaranteed to work. Cash App might detect the virtual number and block your account. It's a bit of a gamble. Method 2, the friend or family favor. If you have a friend or family member in the US, they might be able to help you out. They can create a Cash App account using their number and then add your Nigerian number as a secondary phone number. This way, you can access the account and use it. Important note, this method relies on someone you trust and requires them to share their financial information with you. Proceed with caution. Method 3, the VPN trick. Proceed with extreme caution. Some people claim to have used VPNs to mask their location and make it appear like they're accessing Cash App from the US. However, this is risky business. Cash App might detect the VPN and ban your account. Plus, using a VPN for financial transactions is generally not recommended for security reasons. Additional tips. Be patient. Setting up a Cash App account with a Nigerian number might take some trial and error. Don't get discouraged if you don't succeed on the first try. Security first. If you decide to use any of these methods, prioritize security. Avoid sharing your personal information with anyone you don't trust. Stay updated. Cash App policies can change, so keep an eye out for any updates or announcements that might impact Nigerian users. Opening a Cash App account with a Nigerian number is definitely possible, but it's not straightforward. The methods I've outlined aren't foolproof, and there's always a risk of your account being blocked. Ultimately, the decision to try and open a Cash App account is up to you. Weigh the pros and cons carefully, and make sure to prioritize security. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.